Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Again, today we will create such kind of assembly of a canon with the help of various commands available in the Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, such kind of canon, we have to create such components like wheel, shaft, this cannon, and these are the supporting arms. So here I am closing this window, and first we will create this wheel with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. So first we have to create this type of wheel. To create such kind of wheel, first we have to draw a circle of 36 diameter, then we will draw one more circle of 22 diameter. So that here I am closing this window and go to this particular tab. From here I will select this create sketch, select this one and create a 49 diameter circle. After creating this one, we will draw one more circle of 22 So here I am providing 22 After this, uh, we will create a circle of 6 diameter, as you can see here, and press enter. After this, from here we will select this circular pattern and select this one and select this one as a center of the circular pattern, and from here we will select this 5 and press OK. After this, finish the sketch, go to home position and we will select this one, extrude it. As you can see, the thickness is 7 at of this section, then the whole section is 7 9 thick. So for that, simply extrude this one and up to 9 like this and press OK. After this, select this one, go to create sketch again. Now we will draw a circle of 36 and press enter. Then finish the sketch. From here we'll select this extrude command and extrude it in minus direction up to 2 and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same kind of wheel. Now we have to provide the fillet of 2 to create such kind of wheel. For that, we will select this one and provide a 2 here like this. Similarly, we will provide here. Press OK. Now again we will select this fillet command and provide a 2 fillet and press OK. Also we can provide the fillet here to give a better design. So like this. So okay. So as you can see, we have created the wheel, and from here we can provide the appearance to this particular wheel. So if you want to provide let's say this chrome, so just like this we can create a wheel of this chrome. Now one more thing, we have to provide a hole here at the center. For that, again select this create sketch and go to here. Now create a hole of 7 as per the drawing. Now finish the sketch and extrude it in negative direction and press OK. So that we have created the almost same kind of wheel whatever we have seen in this particular cannon. After this, we will create this particular support. For creating such kind of support, we will go to the drawing of this particular support. To create such kind of cover, first what we have to do, first we will draw a rectangle of 100 by you can say 100 by 50 For that, here we will choose this new design. From here we will select this create sketch Now select this plane. From here we will create a rectangle of 50 by 100 and press enter. After this we will provide a fillet to this one of 10 mm. Now we will provide a fillet of 10 mm here. After this we will select from here this 3-point arc and create a arc of 10 mm radius. After this, from this cover drawing we can see that we have to draw a 10 mm line from here to here. And after drawing a line of 10 mm, what we have to do next, we will select this line command and create a line of 25 mm here, press enter. After this, what we have to do next, select this circle command, create a circle of 25 mm radius, or you can see the diameter of 50 mm, press enter. After this, press escape. Now we'll create a construction line for a reference and press enter, press escape. Now the distance between this line and this line should be 17.88 as per the drawing. After this, we will select from here this break command and break this circle in a various parts. From here we'll select this trim command, so trim it, and this one, and similarly this and this one. Now the next, from here in the drawing we can see we have to create this line of this is 19.59 and this is 2 mm radius arc and this is 5 mm. So we have to create 19, almost 26.60. For that, select this line command, create a 26.60 line and press enter. Select this line. Now from here again we'll select this line command and meet with this and press escape. Now from here we'll select this fillet command again and provide a fillet of 2 mm as per the drawing, and from here we'll select this fillet command, provide a fillet of 5 mm, and one more fillet we have to provide here. Before that we have to trim these edges. For that, here I am selecting this trim command, trim this one and this one, this one and this one and this one. Now press escape, select this fillet command and provide a fillet of 5 mm and press enter. So as you can see, we have created the same profile what we have seen in here. Now we have to provide these holes in this particular one. For that, just simply create some holes. So select this one and create a hole of, let's say, 9 mm, press enter. So as you can see, we have created, this one is 9.3, sorry, and this is 9 mm and this one is 9.5. So just a minute. This is 9.3. So we provide the exact one whatever in the drawing. Similarly, we have to create one more circle here, and this dimension of this circle is 9.5. Press enter. and the distance between this one and this one should be 80. So as you can see, it is 80, and we have to create one more circle of 9 mm. Press enter, and the distance between this circle and this circle and this circle is 30 mm as per the drawing. So you can see we have created the almost the same profile what we have seen here. Now the next is very simple step. Just finish the sketch, go to home position, select this extrude command, provide the thickness to this particular profile of, from here we can see it is of 5 mm. So just simply provide a thickness of 5 mm here. Select this one, select extrude command and provide thickness of 5 mm and press OK. Now the next task is to provide the appearance of physical material. So from here we will provide it, let's say this brass polished. So as you can see, we have created two objects of that particular assembly, what we have seen here in this particular drawing. We have created this one and this one. Now the next task is to create this one, and these three components we have to create. After these, we will assemble all the components one by one in an assembly command. Now the next we will create such kind of shaft. To create such kind of shaft, first we will draw a circle of 11 mm diameter. Then we will draw one more circle of 9 mm diameter, and then we will draw one more circle of 6.9 mm diameter. Then we will provide the thickness to these circles one by one. So here I am closing this particular tab and go to a new design. So as you can see, we have created this particular new design. From here we'll select this create a sketch, select this one, and one by one we will draw all the circle of 11 mm. In this way. Now the next what we have to do next, we have to create one more circle of 9 mm, and we will create one more circle of 6.9 mm. So in this way we have created three circles as we have seen in this particular image. Now we will provide now we will finish the sketch. Now from here we'll select this extrude command, select this and this, and you can see we can provide here symmetric and provide a distance of 27 mm in this way. So as you can see, we have created such kind of object. Now the next what we have to do, from here we will select this sketch, and as per the drawing we can see we have to provide this 13 mm. So from here again select this extrude command, select this one and this one. From here select this offset, and here select 27 tab and provide here 13. Press OK. Similarly select this one and this one, select the same offset, provide here -27 and distance the same -13. So as you can see we have created the same one. Again select this extrude command, select this one, and as per the drawing we can see that that is 5 mm and this one is 13 mm, so we have to again add it these ones. So for this select this one and provide here 5 simply, and select this one and provide here -5 and press OK. Now the next, again select this extrude command, select this one, and from here select this offset and provide here 27,532, and here provide 30 and press OK. Similarly, again select this extrude command, select this one, from here select this offset -32, and the same provide here -30 and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same shaft what we have seen in this particular image. Now the next, we have to provide the holes here. For that, what we have to do, simply create a tangent circle, tangent plane about this one and press OK. So as you can see, we have created this one, and select this one and go to sketch, create a hole of 2.5 here. Similarly, create one more, same 2.5 here, and the distance between this one and this line should be 2.5, and the same in this case 0.5. Press enter. After this, finish the sketch. Now from here select this extrude command, select this one and provide minus, the diameter of this one is 6.9, so we can provide 15, sorry, yes, okay, and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the shaft, and now the next is we have to provide the appearance to this one. So for that, from here we'll select this chrome again. We can provide this brass polished. So such kind of shaft we have created with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. Now close this one and save this one as a shaft. Here I am providing shaft 1 because I have already created this. Now the next is, as per the drawing, as per your assembly, we have to create this one and this one to create such kind of. So for that, go to the drawing and we will create this canon. So here I am closing this new assembly tab and go to the new design. Now as per the drawing, we have to create these different circle of 25 mm diameter, 14 mm diameter, 20 mm diameter, 16 mm diameter, 12 mm diameter, 6 mm diameter. So here I am closing this window, and one by one we will create all these, and at the end we will able to create such kind of cannon. So just go to a new design, go to create sketch, select this plane, create a circle of 25 mm. Now as per the drawing, we will provide this one as a 20 mm thickness. So for that one, just simply finish the sketch Go to extrude command, provide that 20 mm, press enter. After this, select this surface, go to create a sketch, and as per this drawing you can see now we have to create this one is of 20 mm. Yes, this is 20 mm and up to a thickness of 8 mm. So just create a circle of 20 mm, press enter, finish the sketch, select this one, provide the thickness of 8 mm, press enter. After this, select this one and select this at an offset of 8 mm. One side distance you have to provide, select this one and select this one and provide at a distance of here we will provide distance of 5 mm and press OK. After this, select this one, select this one, and as per this drawing we have to create this one from here to here, that is 5, that is 20, and this one is 5. So now extrude it up to 25 mm. So select this extrude command, select this one and extrude it up to 25%. After this, select again extrude command, select the profile and select this offset, select here 20 and the distance is let's say this is 5. And press OK. Now the next, as per this drawing, we can see we have created this one and now we have to provide this one. For that, what we have to do first, we have to extrude it up to 5 and press OK. Now from here we will create an offset plane, construct an offset plane at an distance of 15 mm from here. So just we will provide here, press enter, select this one, go to create a sketch. Now we have to create, this is of 12 mm, so just draw a circle of 12 mm from here, select this one, draw a circle of 12 mm, press enter, finish the sketch. Now from here we will select this loft command, select this one and press OK. So we have created such kind of object. Now the next, as per the drawing, we can see that the distance between this and this is 11. So for this, what we have to do, just simply extrude it, this one up to 11 mm, press OK. After this, from here we will select this sphere command, select this plane, provide the point here, and from here we will select this join and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the bottom one of the cannon. Now from this side, we will choose this one. What we have seen that we have to create this taper section, and this is up to 6 mm, so we have to create this one. For that, and sorry, from here we will select this construction, select this offset, and from here we will select this offset and create an offset plane at a distance of 60 mm. After this, select this one, go to create a sketch, select this one. Now here we will create a circle of 6 mm and press enter. Finish the sketch. Now you can see we have to again provide a loft command and select this one and select this one, sorry, not this one, and this one, and press OK. So we can create such kind of object. Now select this one, go to create sketch again. Now create a circle of, as per the drawing, we can see this is the circle of 14 mm. So the simply circle command, select this one, create a circle of 14 mm, finish the sketch, select this one and extrude it in the -5, and from here select this join and press OK. At the end, select this one, go to create sketch, select this one and create a hole of 6, then finish the sketch. Again select this extrude command, select this one and provide a depth of -50. So as you can see, we have created such kind of cannon what we have seen in the assembly. So here we will provide the appearance to this particular one, and we will provide here, this is brass polished, and press close. And one more thing what we have left, we have to create a hole here. For that we construct a tangent plane to this. Now press OK. From here we'll select this create sketch again and go to this one, and from here we can see we have to create a hole of 9 mm. So for that, just simply select this circle command and create this hole of 9 mm, press enter, finish the sketch and provided the depth in the minus direction up to -25 and press enter. So we have created the same cannon what we have seen in the assembly. Now at the end we have to save this particular one as canon 1 and save it. So as you can see, we have created the wheel, the shaft, that cannon, and the that particular support, we can say. At the end we have to create one more shaft that will passes through this particular hole. For that we have to create a 9 mm shaft. Now at the end we have to create such kind of shaft. For creating such kind of shaft, what we have to do, we have to select this untitled, this road assembly. For that, we have to create a 9 mm diameter circle, and then we have to provide a 70 mm thickness to this particular circle. For that, here I'm selecting this new design. From here we will select this create a sketch. Now we will select this one and select this circle and create a 9 mm hole, 9 mm circle. After this, finish the sketch, go to home position and provide it a thickness of 70 mm so that we are able to insert into the canon. So now the next we can provide the appearance to this shaft particular. So for that, from here I am selecting this brass polish, or maybe I can select this chrome and close. So as you can see, we have created all the parts of this particular one, that is canon road, we can say, or we can say canon shaft, and save it. Now the next what we have to do, we have to assemble all these parts so that we are able to uh, create such kind of object. Now we will assemble all the parts what we have created for creating such kind of cannon. So at the end you are able to assemble all these parts of the cannon. So here I'm choosing this new design, and from here I save this is as a cannon assembly and save. After saving this, from here we will select this show data panel, and from here we will import one by one all the parts of this canon what we have created. So we have created this one. Now press OK. Similarly, we will drag this one here and press OK. And now similarly we will drag this one here. Now I'm closing this one and working on these parts of the cannon. Okay. So for this, what we have to do, we will use this align command here. So first we will align this one to this part. For that, we will choose this align, and from here we'll choose this one, and from here we'll choose this one. So as you can see, we align this one and press OK. After this, again we will select this align command and align this one to align this. So as you can see, we assemble these two parts with each other. Now the next, again we will select this align command and align this to this and press OK. Now from here we will move it, this wheel, in the direction of, let's say, -4, so that this pin will come out, and again go to home position. Now the next what we have to do, we will create the copies of these two. For that, move, select this component, let's say first select this component, and from here this select this create copy and move it in this direction and press OK. Similarly, again we will align, and from here we will select this part and align with this one. Sorry, first we will select again this align command and select this one first, and then we will select another one so that your assembly will not move, like this, and press OK. So now you can see that you have created half portion of this particular one. Now the next, you have to create one more copy of this wheel. From here again we will select this create copy, and from here we will move it in this direction, and you can say it is around, and press OK. So we have created almost the same object what we have seen in this particular assembly, this half portion what we have created. Now the next, we will select this move and copy again, and select this one, this one, and this one, and the direction, from here we'll select this create, and the direction, in this direction we will move it up to -0, so that you can see we have created the same kind of object. Now this cannon and this particular road we have to assemble. For that, from here again we choose this canon one what we have saved, and press OK, and import this canon road, like this, and press OK. Now close this. Now the same thing what we have done before, align this one to this one, press OK. And same thing, what we have to do is align this part to this one too and press OK. Now the next what we have to do, we have to move this particular one and place it in the center. For that again we select this move and copy and choose this one and move it up to in this direction up to 27. So it is 27 and 27 minus 5, and that is 22. So this is the middle of this particular one and press OK. So as you can see, we have moved this particular one at a center right now. Now the next we have to move it again. Select this move command and select this one and move it to 2.5 and press OK. So as you can see, we have created almost the same canon what we have seen, but the only difference is to provide the an angle to this one. For that, from here I am selecting this as built joint, and from here I will select this reset one, this one and this one and press OK. And now again from assembly again I select this as built joint and revolute this one to this one and place this one. So now it is revolved and the minimum is 10 degree. So now from here I select this drive joint and I drive this one to 10, and as you can see we have provided an angle to this particular one. We can also provide joints here for the wheels, like let's say select this one and this one and provide this one. So for this again select this one and this one and provide revolute joint here. Okay, so this is the way how to assemble such kind of cannon what you have seen here. Okay, one more thing what we have to do, we copied these one, but the problem is that the wheels are in the same direction. For that again just select this move and copy and select this one. So now you can see we have created the same object what we have seen in the assembly. So this is the way how to assemble all the component of a cannon. So by the end of this video you are able to understand how to create all the component and assemble the component of this cannon. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.